Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Here I solve LeetCode problems and prepare to the code interview. Today's problem number is 1496, path crossing. Given a string path, the path of I could be N, S, E or W, each representing moving to the unit north, south, east or west respectively. You start at the origin 00 on a 2D plane and work on the path specified by path. Return true if the path crosses itself at any point, that is, if at any time you are on a location you have previously visited. Return false otherwise. So let's do it. I think we can just simulate the moving from the point 00 and moving to the north, south, east or west, so changing x or y by +1 or -1, and each time we will save previously visited points and check if the new point is in the set of previous visited points. Let's do it. First of all, let's create x and y variable, so the initial coordinates and 0 by default. Also we need a set for visited coordinates, and let's add our initial coordinates 0 0. Now check each character in path and let's check all possibilities. It could be north. In this case, let's decrement y. Second option is s, so it's south. In this case, let's increment. And two more, so west and east. In this case, for west decrement x, and for east increment x. Next thing we need to do is check if new x and y in previously visited points. Let's check it, and in this case return true. It means that new point is in already visited point, so we have one crossing. Otherwise, just add new point to the set visited. And finally return true or return false. It means we didn't cross any points. So let's check it. Let's run tests. Test passed, submitted. Yeah, it works. Very efficient. This algorithm has time complexity of n because we have a loop depends on the size of path. Also it has a memory complexity of n because I created a visited variable which also depends on the size of path. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye.